Hey everyone, it's Jack Cookie again. I'm back with another review of my 1/500 scale airliner fleet. Today we're going to be looking at the Herpa Aerosvit Airlines Boeing 767-33A It's Herpa catalog number 523240, and this one is a 2012 limited production. Comes in the 2011 colors, is a new generation 2 model. Registration's UR-VVV. Is that right? Yeah, it is. Get the camera back on here. Strange, just like my other review I did of the Southwest Airlines. It doesn't tell me what engines it has. But there it is right there. Picture of the real thing. Of course, the Herpa box. Real standard stuff. Tells you it's limited edition. Gives you the specs of the real plane, except for the engine type. And that's pretty much it on that. I did do a camera test with this, unlike the Buia plane, the British West Indies plane that I did. This one, the colors actually show up pretty true, so they're not washed out at all. I mean, maybe the yellow could be a little bit brighter, but that blue is showing up just right. But here we go. Go take a look. This is a Ukrainian airline. You can see it has it there in Cyrillic. I think it says Ukrainian Airlines. When we look on the other side, it'll say Ukrainian. Just like right there, it should be Aerosvit. Well, on the other side it says it. On this side, it has it in Cyrillic or whatever it is. Yeah, well, yeah, I think that is. Yeah, that's Cyrillic. Anyway, you can barely see the windshield wipers, but they are on there. It's got the Ukrainian flag in front of the door. The winglets with the logo. Tail logo is also there. Some music from the TV in the background. And here we go again. Ukrainian Airlines, Aerosvit, or Svit. I'm not Russian, I'm not Ukrainian, so try my best to pronounce it, give it the proper accent. This is obviously the bottom. It does have the cargo doors there, or cargo door. Plastic landing gears. Yes, that gear did come bent. This is yet another one I've had in the box for about a week, and I'm just now looking at it, so. Oh, the tail and the stabilizers are plastic, but that seems to be what Herpa's doing as of late. It's not too bad though, I mean, because they still came out pretty good. I don't mind them being plastic as long as they're not, you know, as long as it's not blue plastic. I think it's actually painted. But there you go, that's it for the Aerosvit Airlines Boeing 767, and hope you comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.